Hi, it's me with Corel tips and tricks. If you've ever drawn something like this, and over the years, I could very easily draw this in a couple of minutes. But if you're not good at that and lose jobs over it, whatever, Cuttle has come up with this. I've never seen something so easy. So we're going to go to Cuttle, and Cuttle is a prescription-based um, program that has all make boxes without lids, box with a hinge. Uh, I probably made every one of these. Well, I've never made, well, I've finger joints you learn in the boxes, but they just came out this week with a circle monogram couple sign. And all you do is check on it. And this is how easy it is. We want to change the last name to green. Not only did it put green in there, it put the capital G. And then if you want to change the names, it would be uh, Beth and Billy. Look at that. If you want to change the date, 2026 for a wedding, download it as SV. And before I do that, there's fonts, different fonts you can use, different center initials you could use, different holes, up here, you can change the hole size, the hole thickness. I mean, these guys, I met them at a show up in Arlington at the Graphic Pro. I think that's where it was. Finally got to meet them. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't even know how much it cost. They did give this to me years ago because I make videos for them. But I would definitely, if I didn't do that, see, this was just made 2 days ago and put out to the public. I would be a member or subscriber. So let's download that. It put it in a file. I'm going to go and I'm going to show in folder. And it's circle monogram green under downloads. Then I'm going to go to Corel. Let me just get rid of these. I am going to import. I'm going to go to my downloads. Now, the only thing you have to do, and well, I'm going to send this to Cuttle people, might as well have it put into a hairline because people are going to cut this out. And it might just be me. It might just be my program. But look at that. You created this in less than a minute. You can make it any size you want. If you want it 20 by 20, lock your ratio. And there's you a 20 by 20. If you want to make it 10 by 10, there's you a 10 by 10. And going back to Cuttle, my favorite thing I've ever, probably won't be able to find it real quick. I make it, and I made a video on it. It's a cardboard box in the shape of look at all the type files that they've generated. Every one of these is equally as easy, if not easier, than the one I can't find it. But it's an octagon shape. There it is. Cardstock polygon box. That was made out of a sheet of paper. And I've made hundreds of them. And I have a video on how to score the line so it'll fold. It's great for kids, like summer camps and stuff. You can make the lid and make a little trinket box. But anyway, at least go to their website. They've got some, I believe, I shouldn't say that. I believe they have some free, free template. There we are right here. You could get all these for free. But so there's only a few, but right there. There's many programs out there that are really expensive to get a box. And name tags, anybody can create them. earrings. Um, I mean, it's incredible. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. And thank you for watching. I'm going to just fill that in with black or blue. Take away the outline. That's what it's going to look like. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.